Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Parkside neighborhood within the Shearwater community located in St. Augustine, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at a townhome model. This is the Camden floor plan by Meritage Homes. Now Meritage Homes offers 2 floor plans here in the Parkside neighborhood. Be sure to check out the other video of the other floor plan. Now this townhome features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 1,603 square feet. All right, here we are entering the townhome. This townhome features the wood look tile. To the right is the kitchen. And this model home features some of the finishes that are featured in the townhomes by Meritage Homes. Quartz countertops, roll-in range that with the microwave that vents to the exterior. Straight ahead we have the living room. Now you'll see a desk here. This is for the builder's agents, but this is where the living room would be. You can see some of the outlets here for the television. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor here in the Northeast Florida area, covering from North Jacksonville all the way down to St. Augustine. I'd love to assist you in your new home journey. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or an email. Okay, here's the pantry. Garage entry, powder room over here. Then this is where the dining area would be, or the breakfast nook. There is a covered lanai. All right, let's take a look upstairs. Okay, carpeted stairs. And then upstairs we're going to have the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 2 full baths. Straight ahead is the full bathroom. All right, quartz countertops. And then you do have tile here in the shower. And then here we have bedrooms 2 and 3. Here's the closet. Now, if you're interested in Meritage Homes here in Shearwater, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email for the latest update on availability, the available homes that are under construction or have been completed, as well as the current incentives by the builder. That's bedroom 2. This is the mechanical room here. You have a linen closet here in the hallway. Laundry room. And then here's the primary suite. All right, we'll take a look at the walk-in closet first, and then we'll head over to see the primary bath. Okay, here's the primary bath, 2 sinks, quartz countertop. Then here's the walk-in shower. Okay, you have some shelves here for linen, and then the water closet here.